special going on here. Not much to see year after year. Got a couple new shops that just opened up to replace the ones that recently shut. Summer's over, the leaves are changing. Friday night lights, football season. Looks like Tammy's getting hitched again. It's only been 1 month since she broke up with old what's his name. Living in a small town just south of the main route. We got one way in and one way out, a few stop signs and a roundabout. In a small town just hanging around, a whole lot of nothing but always something going down. Yeah, living in a small town. Is a little bit slower. Can't put a price tag on this dirt, 'cause it's heaven on earth. Living in a small town, standing on sacred ground. Some try to leave, but when they do, they turn back around, head back to that small town, just hanging around. That peaceful, easy feeling going down. Going on here, not much to see year after year. Got a couple new shops that just opened up to replace the ones that recently shut. Summer's over, the leaves are